Yes, I kicked over all of the sockets. So now we're just putting them back in here. We've got the garden tilled. And go give it a much needed oil change. I change the oil every year, even though I only use this thing for a couple hours a year, but I'm gonna go drain the oil out of this thing. So come along, you can watch that process. Thanks for watching. Not sure where we got this keychain from, but it's pretty funny. Look at that. ET. No idea. Alright, how do you get to the oil? Change this oil on this thing. Gosh, we're going to take these side panels off. Which side is it? Which side is it? I don't remember. Well, the fill is on this side, so we can assume it's on the other side. You got a nut here on this side panel. And that might be the only one. I don't remember. I think there's just one there. One on the other side. So we're gonna guess and say the fill is on the opposite side. Reminder to myself, watch my own videos in the future so I can remember what's going on. So we're gonna do the other side. 10 millimeter? Seems to be good. Oh, lucky day, baby. That is the right side, my friend. Oh yeah. So, I think you just twist that thing. Get you a better look at that. So, down here in your little frame, there's this little thing that you turn, and the oil comes out. But we're gonna get a pan first, so hang on. So I don't have the correct pliers, but I have these pliers. Let's see if these pliers allow me to... I think you just turn this thing. I don't remember. I really don't remember how you do this. Oops. It's been years since I changed this oil. I guess I don't remember. Seems like it's turning. It's coming out. So that's definitely what we want to do. It's coming out, so I guess you just turn this little thing. Yeah, that's good enough. So you turn that little thing. I stuck a pair of pliers in there. Not going to take it all the way out, so it's going to drip pretty slowly. Look at that oil. It doesn't look so good, does it? What is that in there? I mean, that's pretty dirty, considering I just tilled the garden like twice with this stuff. That is pretty darn dirty. I mean, for a few hours of work. Let's get a picture of this hour meter here, so maybe we can remember. I'm no oil expert. What's all that like gray stuff in there too? Look at that. What is that? Why does it look like that? All right, so we're just changing the oil on this 316, and I tilled the garden with it last year, maybe like November. Probably changed the oil last fall. I don't remember. Hopefully I did, but it's a good chance I may not have. So I'm not sure when I changed this last, but if this thing has 4 hours on it since I changed the oil, I'd be surprised. That is some pretty dark, nasty looking oil. Let's get a look at this here. So I'm not sure what that gray stuff is in the oil. That's pretty nasty looking. It looks like, hopefully it's not like metal shavings, but like I said, there's probably, if I had to guess, I'd say 3, maybe 4 hours at the most on this oil. Be my guess. So what do you guys think that is? What is that like gray, nasty looking silvery stuff? I have an idea, but hopefully that's not true. So let me know what you think in the comments. I buy these 5-quart things of oil, then I measure them again here in these smaller, empty jugs. Oh, jeez. Hold on, we just made a mess. I'll have some oil coming my way. And we'll rag wipe that up. Keep it from rusting, I guess. I always like to dump a little bit of clean oil in the spout here to get, make sure we flush out the old stuff. So let's just dump some new one in there and see if it comes out. So I just do this, dump a little bit fresh oil in there. Make sure it comes out. Look at that. So it's coming out. Gets a little dirty stuff out of there. It's still dirty. Look at that. Still dirty coming out of there. Trying to keep this B43 alive if we can. That's the plan. Don't worry, I got plans for this used oil, so it's not going to go to waste. It's going to get sprayed on the dump trailer, maybe later on today. We'll see. All right, hold on, I can fill this back up. I gotta get a better pair of pliers for this operation, I think. Look at that nice clean oil coming out of there. That's so much better. I just realized you probably could put a socket around that. That'd probably work a lot better than this method, huh? Got some stuff in my funnel, so I guess we're gonna re-pour this one. That stinks. That's the extra half quart right there. Good to the last drop. Check the level clean and then we'll fire it up. See what happened here. So clean you can't even see it. We can call this one done. All right, that's that. Let's check this oil once again. See what's going on. Yep, it's impossible to tell right now, so let's get a rag. Pretty hard to tell. It's clean, but it's almost too clean. It's at 1.5 quarts. It looks like it's over full. I don't know. 1.5 quarts is 1.5 quarts, right? Beats me. Now we're going to call this project done. Oil's changed, garden's tilled. Not sure what else I'm going to do with this thing this year. I may take the tiller off, put the plow on. I don't know. But right now it's done. Thanks for watching.